Computers are changing warfare dramatically. There have been some early examples of real cyber warfare and the way in which the Iranian nuclear program was disrupted by the Stuxnet attack, which, according to the press, was almost certainly constructed by the American government working with the Israeli government to disrupt the Iranian nuclear program. Military strategy that you're taught, military examples that are given, are always geographic. Traditionally, Britain has defended itself by defending our borders. Cyberspace has no borders.